Aloha, everybody. Is that how you do it? Aloha. I think that. Aloha, everybody. Today we are in the amazing Oahu with
Kia.
and we're going to show you how to do a quick strobe setup. I'm going to show you how to set up really super easy. We have an amazing model coming later. She's the only person we have today. I'm going to use a Interfit S1 with a foldable beauty dish and then a Interfit S1 with just a cone. Ready? So what I'm going to try to do, I'm going to get the model in position. She's going to be right here, then that way I can set up the lights. This is going to be based off of where her face or good side is. What's your selfie side? That side. So if she's facing this way to the camera, then I want the light to be in a position that's going to flatter her. So imagine this. If she's facing this way, but the key light is over here, what do you think the light's going to look like on her face? It's going to hit this side, which is going to cause a shadow on the front cheek, which will make it look fluffy. So what we're going to do is put the light more on this side, so it will accentuate the cheekbones as well. So key light on this side. Let's take a quick test shot again. All right, so that pops a little bit here. All right, Chica, you ready? Let's do some work. Pinche pendejo. The purpose of this light over here is to highlight the backside, the glutes, the booty. As a model, how important is it to make your booty look good? Super important. 1 to 10, how important? 11. You hear that? Once. Do me a favor. Push your hips in, tuck your booty in to make it look really flat. Not hot. Arch. Much, much more better, right? There. We're gonna make it greasy real quick. Careful, Kia had some Mexican food last night, so. Yeah. Perfecto. All right, girl, you ready? Oh, much, much more gooder. There. You're doing all right. Once I fix you, Photoshop and a little bit of extra, like a lot of extra Photoshop, will make you look much, much more better. All right, guys, we're gonna shoot low. Good. Corey looks good, Chica.
Yay!
You working out?
I just haven't eaten today.
She pooped earlier and she hasn't refilled up the tank. That's why she said she looks so swole. All right, so now I'm gonna show you the don'ts with the strobes, because a lot of times your strobe position is gonna definitely control what the shot looks like. Well, let me show you what I mean. So this is gonna be improper strobe placement. Let's go back to a pose that we did before, to the side. Yeah. Someone trying to use a rim light aimed too close to the camera. Let me show you what it looks like. So that shot there, if you notice, on the glutes, here, all the way up here, all the way down to the legs is pure white. It means you don't have any detail at all. You lost detail in the skin, and you can't get that back. When it's blown out to white, it's gone. So that's improper position. And this is gonna be improper placement of the key as well. So even though it's key lights, camera right, she's facing this way. Watch out for the shadow on the face. Ready? All right, so we have improper position of the front edge light. You can tell by the pure white on the skin, and the key light, improper placement, because if you look at the shadow on the front of the cheeks, it's all dark, which is not gonna be a flattering look. All right, y'all, that's it for today. If you liked what you saw, please give it a like down below. If you learned something, please consider subscribing. Click on that notification bell so you can get updates every time we post a new video. Once, twice, sometimes even 3 times a week. If you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up. If you did not like what you saw, give her a thumbs down on her page. We'll see you next week.